I just want to point out to you Agrimony. And this is Agrimony right here. Nice little yellow flowers. As far as I can tell, all the Agrimony species are similar in their activity. So where some things, different species may have very different activity, Agrimony, I've never seen any difference in any of them. So you don't really have to worry about keying it out. But what you'll notice with Agrimony, if you look carefully, you have big leaf, then a little leaf, then a tiny leaf, then a big leaf. And it's a pattern you see on all the leaflets, all right? So what you're seeing here is, this is not a leaf. These are individual leaflets. This is the leaf. And again, you have this pattern of the larger leaflet, a small one, then a teeny tiny one, and then a big one again. And so that there's no other plant that I've ever seen that looks like that. And Agrimony, again, has a lot of tannins, so it is an astringent. It's used for, again, things like your normal astringent stuff, diarrhea and stuff like that. But Agrimony has some other interesting uses that are kind of atypical. Number one, it is used for irritation and inflammation of the gallbladder and the common bile duct. So for people with a history of gallstones and you know, gallbladder, calculi, things like that, it can help relieve some of the irritation associated with that. In addition, with Agrimony, it also has some benefit for things like benign prostatic hyperplasia, for profuse menstrual bleeding, coughing blood, and especially hematuria, blood in the urine. It is also used for a leaky gingate, along with Schizandra. I use it for things like urinary leakage, urinary dribbling, you know, someone coughs and, you know, a little bit of urine comes out, or urinary frequency, as well as bedwetting, but only if the bedwetting is caused by irritation or inflammation. If it's psychological issue or just too deep sleep issue, then it's not going to help. But it is definitely useful for astringent leaky gingates, and so that's where I use Agrimony the most.